Hello viewers and welcome back to Tech2, the one-stop shop to get your dose of tech. There has been a lot of talk about Redmi 9 Prime and we wanted to check the smartphone ourselves. The AI quad camera being the special feature, Redmi 9 Prime has a lot more to offer. So without further delay, let's check out the phone. Here's the first look. The body is sleek and compact. Comes in a stylish matte black color. The body is durable and feels good to touch. It weighs 195 grams and it is very light in the hand. Has an edge-to-edge dot notch display that accommodates the camera. Specifications. The screen is a 6.53-inch Full HD and has a capacitive multi-touch touchscreen with 2340 x 1080 pixels resolution, 394 ppi pixel density. This is an exceptionally good screen resolution, probably the best in the price range. The RAM is 4GB and the internal memory is 64GB, which is expandable up to 512GB. The operating system is Android V10. Camera. The rear camera is 13 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2 megapixel setup. It comes with features like ultra-wide, macro, portrait, AI scene recognition, HDR, Pro mode, etc. The 8 megapixel front camera also has all the features that the rear camera comes with. Performance. 2.0 GHz MediaTek Helio G80 octa-core processor. It has 8 cores and provides very good processing power for your phone. It is dual SIM and both SIMs support 4G. 5020 mAh large lithium polymer battery with 18-watt charging support. Reason to buy. Redmi 9 has the best screen resolution in the price range. The outstanding battery performance and the ease with which you can use multiple apps is only a plus. For the price, it won't be an exaggeration to say that this is the best smartphone. So there is no reason you shouldn't get Redmi 9 Prime. Well, that's it for today. See you again with more product recommendations. Goodbye.
Presenting Redmi 9A that comes with multi-touch capacitive touchscreen. The phone comes in midnight black, nature green and sea blue colors. Redmi 9A is available in two variants, 2GB RAM plus 32GB storage and 3GB RAM plus 32GB storage. The memory is expandable up to 512GB in both the variants. The phone comes with dual SIM and a dedicated SD card slot. Redmi 9A has a 6.53-inch HD Plus display with a 20:9 aspect ratio for an immersive viewing experience. With 1600 by 720 pixels resolution and 268 ppi pixel density, the phone delivers rich details and clarity. The phone also comes with ambient light sensor and proximity sensor. Redmi 9A comes with a 13-megapixel AI rear camera along with a 5-megapixel front camera. Powered by Android V10 operating system with MediaTek Helio G25 octa-core processor, this phone allows for seamless multitasking. Redmi 9A comes with a 5000 mAh battery with 10 watts wired charger. The box includes handset, power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card and user guide. The product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to the product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page. Presenting Redmi 9 that comes with multi-touch capacitive touchscreen. The phone is available in sky blue, sporty orange and carbon black colors. Redmi 9 comes with a 4GB RAM and 64GB internal memory that provides for seamless multitasking. The memory is expandable up to 512GB. It comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. Redmi 9 features a 6.53-inch HD Plus display with a 20:9 aspect ratio that gives you an immersive viewing experience. With 1600 by 720 pixels resolution and 268 ppi pixel density, the phone delivers rich details and clarity. The phone comes with a fingerprint sensor for faster and more secure access. It also features proximity sensor and ambient light sensor. Redmi 9 has a 13 plus 2 megapixel dual AI rear camera for high quality pictures. It also has a 5 megapixel front camera for clicking selfies. Powered by Android V10 operating system with MediaTek Helio G35 octa-core processor, this phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. Redmi 9 comes with a 5000 mAh battery. The box includes handset, power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card and user guide. The product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to the product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Presenting the Redmi Note 9 that comes with 48 megapixel quad rear camera. The phone features a splash-proof aura balance design. The phone is available in Arctic White, blue, green and red colors. Redmi Note 9 is available in 3 variants to choose from. 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage, 4GB RAM plus 128GB storage and 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. The memory is expandable up to 512GB in all 3 variants. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. Redmi Note 9 features a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus IPS dot display with a 19.5:9 aspect ratio that provides for an immersive viewing experience. The IPS display produces accurate colors across a wide viewing angle. The phone comes with AI Face Unlock that lets you unlock your phone instantly and more securely. For impact protection, the display features Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The phone has a 48 megapixel quad rear camera array with ultra-wide, macro and depth of field lenses. It also features portrait, night mode, AI scene recognition, HDR and Pro mode to enhance the pictures. The phone has a 13 megapixel in-display selfie camera powered by Android operating system with octa-core Helio G85 processor. This phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. Redmi Note 9 comes with a 5020 mAh battery with 22.5 watt fast charger. The box includes handset, power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card, user guide and clear soft case. The product comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.